Origin says it will create a new privately owned space station in orbit around the Earth, what it calls a mixed use of business park in space. The company announced the plan months after completing its first human space flight on the new Shepard launch vehicle, an endeavor that included taking a paying customer into the space. The new commercial space station will be called Orbital Reef, and Blue Origin, which is owned by the billionaire Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, said that by the end of 2020s, it will become the premier mixed-use space station in low Earth orbit for commerce, research, and tourism. The station will open the next chapter for the human space exploration and development by facilitating the growth of vibrant ecosystem and business model for the future of Blue Origin. Potential customers for the station range from space agency and high-tech groups to countries that don't have their own space program, as well as media and travel companies. Several companies are working with Blue Origin on an ambitious space station plan, including Sierra Space, maker of the reusable Dream Chaser spaceplane that can land at ordinary airports. Other partners include Boeing, Redwire Space, Genesis Engineering Solution, and Arizona State University. Now anyone can establish an address in the orbit, said Blue Origin. Orbital Reef expands access, lowers the cost, and provides everything needed to help you operate your business in space. So what do you think? Will this new idea of Blue Origin space station will come to life? As they didn't even cross the Kármán line in space.